In this video, I will show you how to enable a FPS counter in any Steam game. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you want to do is make sure you got Steam opened. Then if you come up to the top left hand corner, you want to click on Steam up here. And on this drop down menu, come and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto the option which says in game. And on the screen, what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you get to the option for overlay performance monitor. Now, what you can do on here is show your performance monitor and you can choose where you want your FPS count to be displayed. So if you click onto the drop down box, you've got some few options here. I'm going to select top right, so it appears in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then what you need to do is set a performance monitor key. So this is a key you can press on your keyboard to turn your FPS counter on and off. For mine, I've set mine to be P, so every time I press P on my keyboard, it's going to display in the top right hand corner. And when I press P again, it's going to disappear. Finally, what you need to do is select the performance detail level. So what this means is if I click onto this drop down box, you want it's set to FPS single value, but you do have some other options as well. So you can display things like CPU and GPU utilization. There's also RAM full details. And there's a couple of options on there. But if you just want the FPS counter, just simply select FPS single value. And now every time you're playing a Steam game, if you press your performance monitor key, that's going to display in your desired location selected from the option here. So that is how to enable a FPS counter in any Steam game. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.